Some people, we have some whole heap of things to get in cause boy Rosalie and Derrick thing I get out of hand because Rosalie go send one for Derrick and one bag of something. So Derrick even go up on Rai Q live and boy, me nah lie my people, him go on with some something seeing Rosalie link up with Blinger and I talk about the whole situation and why she do that. So me I say we are gonna hear about that. Also my people. Boy, and I go stay over this youth yard until this youth mash her up wicked or him unalive her. People at this them call love. No man. So this youth go on with a bunch of things my people. Even yesterday me see a video with she I walk on the road and a woman I say Anna, you have me carry you go to the station, whatever. You see me I say this youth here take this advantage of the yo people at least you know me no know what really I go on still but me no feel like say this girl here provoke this youth here and I know if him do what him do to her seeing and him have her brain him a manipulate her after him do what him do. So we are gonna hear some things from some people, including Kitty and the girl named Shay, because I believe Shay know him, you know. So me I say I know say yo, this youth here was a good youth, but she don't know what go on with him here now. Even the neighbor them have something to say to. Seeing, so do we put out a snippet of a song, my people, at this Queenie, and Queenie put out a snippet also at this him back. So as me say, we have a lot to get in my people. Cause Shibada also come out my people and this up Rosalie wicked. You see me I say and Destiny come out too. You know what I mean? And this up Rosalie and a different Derrick. You see me? So we are gonna get in all of that my people. But we are gonna kick it off with this youth here when name RT though. Seen because what day I'm share with you know, him come out and say him get caught up and him woman get caught up. So me also have a update on that for share with you know, my people. Cause the picture I wanna look on is a update. You know what I mean? It look like say the woman she a recover. Cause she lie down on her side. You see me? If she did in a critical condition, should have on her back. And he would have come out and maybe say something. You know what I mean? So she's still here with us after she gets 7 can him say. You know what I mean? So that's a miracle, my people. And that's a good look. You know what I mean? And we just want to say, you know what I mean, speedy recovery to her. But him come out here now because at first when him a do a live and thing, him say him get 2 can. One in him side and one in him foot. And the man them lick him with the machine in him face, right? So him come out here now and I say him not get no can. Him say when him feel in him side it was a joke. You see me? After him did I go through the bush, something joke him there. So him think him did get can there so him say him not get no can in him foot. You see me I say so more kind of try to understand that because people are say I prank him, I prank the people, you know. How can you not know that you get can? You know, remember that when you run through a bush and something joke you. Remember, you know, if something joke you, you know, and you run through a bush, you know. You see me I say, no matter how frantic you be, and you run. After you done run, and the something joke you, you are going to feel the spot where something joke you because it are going to hurt you. If it joke you that hard, you are going to feel the spot. You see me I say, how can you say you not get no can? You think you did get can, but that's something joke you when you go through the bush. Remember, you know, you never did feel nothing before you go through the bush, you know, because if you did get can, you'd have feel it before you run through the bush. Although things can happen on your blood warm same way and you not feel it because people say man get can and them not really feel it some of the time when man in a can out, them have to feel themselves if them get can, because you can get can and you not feel it. And so me I say, so maybe I that go on with him. But if you know what I mean, you get can, alright. Remember you gotta check yourself, you know. After you run and cause a minutes him say him in the bush, you know, before the officers them come. So you gotta really check yourself after if you get can. And if you feel a little spot, remember, you know, if you get can all I go there, you know. So you tell me say you know feel it for say for all the day or not. Boy people, that kinda throw me off. Me not gonna lie to you, cause him say him get can 2 places, right? And remember him son did it at the moment, you know, when everything a go on, and him say him a wrestle the 2 man them. When him son did there when all of this a go on. So it look shaky to me. Me not say I no truth, but it look shaky to me. Him show him foot and him foot swell up and thing. You know what I mean? But it look kinda shaky to me. It no look like say boy, he might tell us what really go on. You know what I mean? From him come and say him get can and then him come back and say him no get can, me I really look on that. But here I go on my people. Me no dey have to say the event where him say happen, don't happen. Me just point out a few things where, you know what I mean, look away to me. So me glad say him alright, you know what I mean? And him have to remember the man who cry wolf. You understand me I say? So we are gonna go over Destiny and all my people and hear where him have to say about Rosealee.
Okay. Business. And every day you come a blood clot ball boy depressed. You talk about you know business every day you come a ball boy your blood clot depressed. Big dirty cow. Big dirty cow don't talk about you know blood clot business. And Derrick is more famous, Derrick famous than you. And Derrick entertain people more than you can. First and foremost, they pan life sit down. I beg you, they pan life go beg. You're not entertain nobody. You're not entertain nobody. You just lie down in your big stinking dirty bed and the dirty blood clot here and beg. You're not entertain nobody. Oh, but you know, there man go to the police station to get justice. Me have one police friend. Just type in her name. Type in her name and it come up. You're not, she not cuss her man. The Rosealee, every day Rosealee now say to man for be man. Every day you have mistake. The man had I want Derrick number because I can't Derrick change his number. I don't know where Derrick, how am I going to get Derrick number? But once him change his number, it's supposed to show on his phone say number change. Hold on, where Rika there? Rika, go in a Derrick contact and look if it shows say number change. If you click on the notification, maybe not to put it on WhatsApp yet. I don't think if that change, you know, because I need it on live today. So when I get data, I go up on live. I call Virgo, but when I get Virgo. Moderator, anybody will not follow me, block them. Block them, blood clot like that woman here. You see me, I call her now, get to work more. You there work? You call Derrick? You're there at Jamaica or you still there? Which part today? Rosealee call man fi beat Derrick Morgan. Set up Derrick. Them beat Derrick. Them beat him. Me I call him in change his number. Rosealee give out the number. One scream record did a work where Rosealee at about oh the man if go beat Derrick Morgan in a park and sit and she no care about no police. Record out there. You have her number? Give me her number, me call her. Tanisha. Me call her somewhere Derrick there. Say my number come give me now. Alright, yeah. No, me go get Tanisha number. Me go call Tanisha, ask Tanisha if Derrick Morgan okay. Ask me if he get done. Coca-Cola make you bounce drink some Coca-Cola. Make your body tight, your body big like a drum. You walk and suck in the whole of Jamaica, you come and come suck in America. Your body when that son walk and suck in every blood clot way. And when my phone they come like bombs and suck in my tablet. Oh, me can't find my tablet. Jesus Christ. My tablet there. Bam out. I make it stay this so. Let me call Tanisha. Let me call Derrick friend. But you come for class, blood clot me. And I talk about now leave TikTok. My people always support my bams. Always bams, always. We don't fight for TikTok. Fight for TikTok, my love. Hold on, I call the girl from the back park. Hello, Tanisha. A Destiny. How is Derrick alright? They not lick him. Oh, the boy, they made a move a 5-man in drop. Oh, God, Rosealee wicked, man. Yeah. Jesus. Oh, she still live on the road from you. Jesus. Oh, God. Yeah. So she have to carry the police up there. But what if him want to come have one police woman number, you know, who work at Jamaica, you know, or Kingston she work and she working at the field. So if him want to me can give him the police woman number and the woman can meet him and lock up Rosealee. Funny about the body. Yeah, but Derrick no trouble him. I might start put him on phones, the man go party, I put him on phones. Rosealee can't call no man pan TJ, them everybody them. Jesus Christ. Boy, I bet I never gonna put. I mean, when I'm gonna go to the police station and they go come back for him again. Cause he depend TikTok. He depend TikTok. If he depend TikTok when she attacks, so she go do it.
Hey people, you see this TikTok thing, this social media thing is like the people them not really learn when it come to certain things. You understand me? Look here, Rosealee says she a go do Derrick this and call people pan while she dey live, you know. So the world see and say, yo, more you do this, more you do that, whatever, whatever. Suppose somebody where did want to do Derrick something, go do Derrick something. Who people that blame? Who people that look pan? Me just want to ask the question there. That a carelessness, my people. Big woman thing. And me don't know why these people do these things, but them have to look into what them are do. So me I say whether for entertainment or what. Because me see Maka Diamond do a video where she has said Rosealee a cuss Derrick, but when Derrick reach at the party, Rosealee go hug him up and all these things. You see me I say, so enough of the time I feel like say them are cuss on these things, but them just a do it for entertainment purposes. Them not really do what them say them are gonna do, and them wear them. You understand me? So I want to tell more the thinking at the comment section, because Rosalie is supposed to learn from the World Dog situation, all the people them start drag butter, and I say a butter do the knockings. You see me I say? So let me know what you think. We're gonna watch some more.
So him broke no part-time body when him drop. So me him broke no part-time body. But him call up a one different number and cheat me and say change the number. Jesus Christ. Call me, I call him all number. Call Virgo, me just call a while ago. Me I call him all number. Me nah get him. Him all number. No, cause Virgo did sleep. Yeah, this is my number. Alright, send the number to me. I text up on WhatsApp. Thanks, baby. Yeah. That Derrick friend is from the part. Derrick, him say them not more, but them run him down and him drop. Him say them him drop and him lick him side. Him drop. Him say Derrick have run him have run, cause them run him down. And she say I move. If she she never move, she don't know the boy them. I mean, I don't want nobody laugh on me like, because this is no joking matter. This is no joking matter. This could have, Derrick Morgan could have been your grandfather. Him could have been your uncle. Him could have been your man. Him could have been somebody to you. Do not come on my life and laugh and think this is a joking matter. Moderator, either you're going to do you. I'm going to tell the moderator, please, I mean, go, you better not just go on. I said, anybody laugh, block. Because this is not funny. Because Rosealee do right now, Rosealee can go to prison for what she do. Prison. She can go to prison. And what you going to say? What you guys are going to say when Rosealee go to prison? What you going to say? What you going to say when they lock up Rosealee? This should have gone. What you going to say? Rosealee call man. Rosealee set up man for Cked Derrick. But the boy them run her down. The boy them run down Derrick. Block all of them. Block every one of them. Block every one of them. Cause me I go text Derrick at the police station. And me I go send Derrick at the police station, and Derrick at the police in my Rosealee yard. Them are gonna lock up your blood clot. You got prison. You got jail. Them are gonna lock up you. Them are gonna lock up your blood clots. You got jail. Them are gonna lock up you. And you know when say? When somebody say, you can't remove the phone, Rosealee. Here I know she don't care about no police. She said she don't care. She said she don't care. Pan the record. She talks, she go do it, and them do it. And so she said she don't care. I'm gonna care about no police. She don't care about no police. Derrick Morgan new number, yeah. So I can call Derrick to ask Derrick to feel okay. Tanisha say, him friend will always support him, say, okay, him friend send there police station. But me I try to call Derrick. But what me I say is, Rosealee never try to set up TJ, or try to set up, Roger, we say we want to do our things. Right? You never try to do that. But because Derrick don't have anybody in a Jamaica, I know say because Batman do not legal in a Jamaica, you feel like someone can take set on him. And that is not right. Remember, you got kids and you don't know what a child gonna become, Rosealee. Remember, see a Piniga school and them. Be careful. All you do to people. Cause I'm tell you something, my love. Them say anything you do in a life, you fall back for your kids, them. Hello, a serious matter go on here, so. And please do not end up on live with nobody. Rosealee, me a tab set up there for kill Derrick. Rosealee.
Let me hear all that more.
Rosealee send man for Derrick, bro. And the man them go for Derrick. And them rush Derrick. And him drop. And lick inside. In their police station and report it now. Rosealee, I figure prison. Them a guy Rosealee yard for Rosealee.
So wait there, if Derrick drop and broke, so I'm not supposed to be a doctor, we might do a police station.
You know broke him if him spraying it. You know the man got a doctor already. You don't expect when they got a doctor to go to police station after. When somebody beating after got a doctor first to go to police station.
We can't bother. So when this take place? Last night?
Moderator, anybody laugh? Please block. Go on them picture, take on them picture and say go give me hand block. Cause no done. Cause when first and foremost, if you're getting leak, you have to go to blood clot hospital first and then go doctor after. But bring through blood clot and black them, make them go suck their mother. Can I put up your blood clot, Pitney? You can't dip on blood clot level top, but you want people have your blood clot, Pitney, dirty Rosealee. You can't for blood clot walk. One man run up on your blood clot to drop. Cause you're fat. You can't run. I don't like blood clot, but you can't skip and flick over what? You can't flick over none. Cause you should come your body and touch you all of them and catch your body. Cause you're big no blood clot. Not harder. You have to get a doctor, get one doctor paper and carry it to the police. The man got a doctor already.
But they said nobody not touch Derrick and Derrick run and drop. Nobody not touch
them. Don't know nothing over there. So I just call Derrick best friend Tanisha. Ask the people in life. They don't know nothing. Me and you now go stump at the life with them attack. Cause they don't know nothing. And I Derrick, me I try to call you so.
Try and call Derrick. Come on, hear this go.
No, me now put Derrick on speaker. Man now come on no blood class because nobody not hear the man. You know, care me love. Nobody not hear the man. I mean, I'm used. I know maybe in a police station. All if them not touch him and them rush him, Rosealee still a go to jail. Cause the proof out there when she say she call him and them, there are video out there when she call the blood clot all and play back again Team Destiny. There are video out there when she call the man them.
All with even somebody over the park. More beer back stick and thump. Me not run no joke. Anything what you say Allah, you know the process. Anything what you say to me, Allah. More know where they gonna get it done. That is it. Him always over the park. I never seen any.
I just want to ask some of my people, what Derrick really do? Rosealee want man for rush Derrick. Remember, you know, man, and really Derrick of himself, I decide, you know, are the people them around him, I tell him this and I tell him that, and him come and say what him say. You understand me? I say, because even the thing where she do the on-stage thing and them a call her Peppa Pig or whatever, you can watch the video and see say, Derrick never really, you know what I mean, enough for this Derrick, this Rosealee. But the woman when they behind the camera, she say some things and him just start say what him a say. You understand? And she kind of push him for this side. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think in the comment section. We're gonna watch some more.
In a town. You understand me? Just that more you do for me. You want about 3 or 4, boy. Okay.
Yeah, man, alright. You're right now. You're what she say now.
I'm not busy with no police, but I care. I don't care. I don't care. We have to tell me about evidence, fam. We have to tell me if I'm in a business.
Okay.
I'm in a business. I'm in a business. I'm in a business. I'm in a care. I'm in a business. I'm in a care.
Make sure them have 3 bed in the selfie blood clot you can't hold per 1. But make sure them have 3 blood clot bed and 5 bed in the selfie you can't hold per 1. So make sure them have 3 blood clot bed and 5 bed in a cell because you can't hold per 1. But you're not blood clot here. 2 out of that you go per on stage and people are hype up your Rosealee party. You feel like you're out there, bitch, you're out wrong. Oh, because in Jamaica it's not legal. It's illegal to leak. This is why I don't feel like someone can text upon blood clot people. I should have blood clot my family payment to come board. You told blood clot out of that should have my family. You'd have see blood clot something. You'd have see what got your blood clot, sir. When TJ come here, you catch your coward. You couldn't even come out. Derrick, the man never trouble her. Everybody got a Rosealee party, enjoy and happy themselves.
But me never.
All when Derrick Morgan a cuss Shibada, Derrick Morgan say Rosealee, everybody go party, we enjoy ourselves for everything. The man never cuss you or nothing. You come out and come talk about the man Frownzy. So true Derrick flashback now I make a video and a cuss now. You vex. You can't talk about Frownzy because you're not beard. You ever think.
Me not seen no video with Derrick at trouble Rosealee.
I'm first trouble the man. Yes, he made a video after. First and foremost, in come out and say the man Frownzy. If me go on party and somebody say me Frownzy, the next person I go make one video about him. Him wrong, him don't wrong, him right. Him right. Because him come out and talk about the man Frownzy. I tell Jedi say man Frownzy. So next person the man go come out come talk.
In trouble Rose, but so wait there, the cheer in on stage. I know Derrick did make a comment on the cheer on stage.
Yeah, because him tell Jaden say Derrick Frownzy. So Derrick make the video with the cheer. And Derrick alone make video with blood clot cheer. How much you pan blood clot TikTok make video with the cheer? Rosealee didn't want to cheer for true. And first and foremost, my love, even if I saw you go, him never send no blood clot TJ will pop up on him yard. We are talking about that. Him never send no man blood clot TJ. Roger train him and he never send no man. Talk about that. I remember say Rosealee never trouble Roger. So why you choose to go for Derrick Morgan? Because him weak. And because he not have nobody to defend him. So that's why you choose to go for Derrick Morgan. Because Roger make threaten, TJ come in your yard and you never send no man for TJ. So why you choose to send man to Derrick Morgan? You not even say, go warn him. You not even say so. You tell him man clot. And you don't care. You got jail, girl. Can't be the out there, you got jail. You better send a pity to my country, because jail you go.
In a rare ground and give her $500 the peanut girl and walk you gonna send man to me? Why you never send man to the dap? To Tiki. No. To Tiki. You ever say what you send 3 idiot boyfriend to me, Rosealee? What are the 3 idiot boys send to me? We can't do nothing. Let me free the boy them.
Right. I mean,
with me girl Rosealee. All of them come. Me tell all of them come up on the live now. Bad money, no bad money. Pepper, the one of them now they comment number. Attack, I rejoice. And can't go there. I install I can't get one of them to right. They put me keys. The man we are fed about. I know they come to talk about what I so man could have beat me. Me now look on them. And nobody I part nobody come to park up war with me. I want to eat that girl. Me tell play the verse, play the song she put out. I would we have the station. The boys take the stage. Take it already.
Do me a favor, please. Do me a favor, please. Drink some water and come back, please. Please, I really want you to drink some water. Drink some water. Okay, drink some water, please. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you. I understand what you're going through.
Nobody, Mr. Ryan. Nobody Rosalee never war. Rosalee do that to them.
Okay, let me say something.
All of the man we war with Rosalee. Rosalee couldn't do that to me. But I mean Rosalee do to everybody attack to Derrick. We war one Rosalee. People say they war Rosalee at all. What about three little idiot boy and a gun man, Mr. Red, the boy and a gun man. I hear that boy them. Well, they tell me give boy 20 tons. They lick me up. I'm gonna come to them. No do nothing.
My people, I feel like this was just like a little thing for just shake up Derrick to make him feel like a type of way, you know what I mean? Rosealee never really sent the man them to do whatever. You see what I say? Because if she did do that and the man them rush Derrick and do whatever to him, Rosealee would lose supporters, lose respect, you know what I mean? Should lose a lot. You understand what I say? And the level where she want to reach, knowing that she just do on stage interview or something, it would have shine a bad light on her, you know what I mean? And people now gonna really mess with her like that, although I don't think Rosealee cares still. But, you know what I mean, here Derrick attack, how it go, you know what I mean? Them not rush him just dead there and them come around him, you see? So, we're gonna watch some more, my people. I hear where you must say some more, and then we move on to the next.
How they don't come on me like an idiot. I mean answer them.
Okay. So
I just walk and tell them so, oh boy come lick me up in a park. I can fix our business, alright. I can fix our business.
Yeah,
I got what you know want go. She can't go jail. She can't go this and she can't go that.
Let's take it back a little bit, right? I understand what you're saying, right? I mean,
she's too wicked, Mr. Right, she's too wicked. I'm a wicked girl. Right. When the bad now give Rosealee keep all of them slackness when she not get a gift.
Okay.
She don't know the people that she don't talk about say, oh word that run from me and it's run from me. Nobody never run from me. She walk and tell the people how people run from me.
So the question is,
Rosealee don't know the people that from nowhere. And the man will keep the party me know him long time and the parents them.
Guys, please support the live here.
She's too wicked again. I'm a wicked girl. I'm a wicked evil girl. I'm wicked. Everybody talk about Rosealee are wicked. Rosealee are wicked. Wicked Rosealee. Rosealee never call a man for when I'm tired. When I'm gonna be the Rosealee never do them someday. What the man clean her up.
Okay, so
see them? One sweep out her. See her? One sweep out Rosealee. Yeah, Rosealee are evil, Mr. Right. Evil, Mr. Right. See her? Evil, Mr. Right. Yes, what? Get a Rosealee over think that she too crave and see about here. A big stop herself. You know, go Mr. Right. Okay. You're wicked, Mr. Right. I'm a wicked girl. When I'm gonna come to the live and tell people that she wants to send man for me. But I mean, Rosealee is what I'm saying. But send man, you look at Rosealee, you have to go down Rosealee. And all the bottom man come and find you like a matchlock. Everybody.
I'm giving him chance to win.
Lord Jesus Christ. See me, I'm a spray, I'm a stink of blood, Mr. Right, I'm a stink.
Can I talk now? Can I talk now?
Yeah, talk, Mr. Right, it's too wicked. I 7K, but 7.2K, you gone up to.
Okay, so did you expect Rosealee?
Let's have an other company level and a comment.
Okay, so let me hold on a second. So my question to you is, right? My question to you, when she said it on the live, did you expect it that she would have sent them for us? Did you expect that? You thought that she was joking? Did you expect
No, joke.
Did you expect the guys was to come, or you thought that she was joking when she said it on the live?
Mr. Right, I don't know if I joke or serious everything. Yeah, Mr. Right. When Rosealee do them something, yes, when she do them something yesterday, guys, wanna send gift. I'm on credit because she give me no, Mr. Right, she give me no. The whole of my phone full up. Whole of my phone full up. And messages full up.
So did she really give the number out?
Yes, I share me Bible and she put on my phone. She Rosealee, got my number. I'm going to go back for your number. Yes. And she called the whole of the people, the whole of the enemy, them pepper and the whole of them. And them
dance me and bring me down. She got the crowd for me.
So my question
is, when the same girl, where she can't put them sitting on a class after, you just gonna look good.
So when the three guys came to you, Uncle, listen carefully.
Yeah.
When the three guys came to you, right? I want you to let me know again, what exactly did they say to you? Take me to that part, please. Let's come.
Mr. Roy, you see when the three boy them come, they not talk nothing. Them come for war.
Okay.
And the people them say, oh, what Derrick do now? He might call him name. All of the boy say to the woman them, make call up them name. You hear me I tell you? Make call up them name. That is the only thing them talk. Make call up them name. Mr. Kalbulu name I don't know where I come from. I started a Rosealee send the three boy them. Rosealee send the three of them, Mr. Roy. Cause he said she give them $20. $20,000 she give the boy them. They bottom of the park. The whole of them get up the money. Pepper, Mr. Roy, Mr. Roy, from Pepper come back TikTok. Me done a piece with a girl, Mr. Roy. Me done no piece with a girl when you Pepper.
Maka, how do you feel about the situation?
Every clip the girl come for me, Mr. Roy.
Give me a little time for that 1 second. Maka, how do you feel about the situation? Guys, thank you. God bless you for all the gifts. God bless you so much. How do you feel about the situation, Maka? That I didn't like. How do you feel like that he like 3 men actually came for him? How do you feel about that?
I was really shocked. I was like, why it go so far? Is it that bad? I never know that.
I'm gonna be the girl. Can't you fight? I look on internet.
I hope they can come to their morality and know that this is. I mean, if that is really true, I mean, it's just wrong. Nobody not involved in a Rosealee, and just leave them. This is a TikTok war. Because TikTok war have nothing serious until they're making it serious. You know what I'm saying?
So Derrick, why didn't they take? Why did they have to send you to another station when you went to make the report? Why did they have to?
No, me want say it's not in the comment and here it's happening now.
Okay. So basically, you have to go make the report where
because we don't go to a yard here, you know. But no vehicle never did it. One vehicle did it, and them go on assignment. And that's what they never go do not see you here.
So the police was gonna go pick her up tonight.
Eh?
The police Jamaican people are too biased. They're too biased, and they're just talk about tonight. Maka put up this Ray, blah blah blah. And the first we talked to Derrick since all this incident.
Where's so right?
Actually, Maka shocked that the three when Maka heard that 3 guys came, she was shocked.
Yeah, I was like, what are you talking about? Is that true? And then start to say,
all over pink, everybody run with it. Everybody run with this or something. Nobody never expect this or something that gonna happen. Because Rosealee walk with every Batman. I Rosealee never do that to the Batman. I mean, she do it too.
So question. I have a question because you know I like.
I mean, Rosealee do it too. Rosealee do it too.
God bless you guys God bless you for all the gifts. Before we continue this, for all the gifts that's coming, may God bless you guys. You guys did not have to gift Maka, myself, or Derrick. So whoever gift tonight, I pray will never empty. And whenever I say, God bless you for all the.
Some people want to tell more what they think in the comment section, because me just feel like Rosealee do this just to get under Derrick's skin. Yes, so me I say she not really tell them say yo do him something. She could have say yo yeah me. Whatever she said on the internet, she said that, right? But maybe she link them after and make them know, say, yo, Ray. You know what I mean? Just go turn up around him or whatever. You see it? So, don't make me know what you think in the comment section. This is just, tell me if this is just a little show them I put on, or you think a real thing. More know what you think in the comment. You understand what I say? So, we're going to watch some more, my people, and then we're going to move on to the next.
Gifts, may God bless you for all the gifts that has been coming through here. So if Derrick, I have a question because you know I'm about to watch this. Derrick, you know I'm about peace, right? I'm not about war. If Rose come to you and say sorry and want to kill, would you just forget about it?
Mr. Rami, no what? Mr. Rami.
Hold on a second, guys. Guys, don't forget to follow Maka and myself and Derrick Morgan. because I'm not about war. I like peace. You know what I mean? I really like peace. And me and Rose goes good. Mac and I goes good. Derrick and I goes good. So what I'm here to do is like peace. You know what I mean? He will come back in a second. Give us a second. I think I might have to get Rose here to hear.
No, no, people with that, Mr. Right. Mr. Right, I mean, I don't with Rosealee because enough people up on TikTok who are Rosealee and Rosealee never do try our best to type to do to them. Mr. My brother rubber out wicked and come out on all the while and to couldn't do them people nothing.
I see a lot of people saying that you disrespect. I see a lot of people saying that you disrespect Romesh. You want to clear it up right now that did you disrespect Romesh or clear it up? Clear it up.
What me disrespect Romesh say?
Because you know the
Mr. Rai, no follow nobody. You see this again.
Hold on, you have to calm down. Hold on, uncle, calm down. I am not saying that you disrespect Romesh. That's what the people are saying. So this is a platform where you have to clear your
name. Look, Mr. Rai, look, you know, I plot them plat up, I plot them all of them up. Then go and make them. Then go and make video and put up things together. That's what them do. Pepper and the whole of them in the comment here, them are wicked. Mr. Pepper, if you go down, Mr. Rai. Mr. Rai, you see Pepper? Mr. Rai, you see Pepper? Pepper, they with a man. Pepper, they with a man of foreign. Take the woman husband.
God, we got on another story now.
And I picture everything. I was like, texted for me. She texted for me. Oh, people not mind, Mr. Right. People not mind. Oh, the woman could have sent your private part come to a man of Jamaica. And you see that I full on Derrick Morgan. And Derrick Morgan have them out. And the picture you have their work.
I had a hot tea from Maca, but they look like this hot tea is too hot tonight to be. Hold on.
Mr. Guys.
Guys, don't forget to follow Maca and myself and Derrick. Don't forget that this Thursday is interview and Bam has some hot tea for us this Thursday. So, Derrick, so you're saying that you're going to the police station back today or tomorrow?
Tomorrow. Them tell me come back at 11 o'clock tomorrow. 11 o'clock I go back out there tomorrow. More than what the boy. The three boy them.
But my question
the three boy them. Miss Fabulous, Miss Fabulous, the one name Miss Fabulous put up on her blogger. The YouTube channel the lady there.
I'm not seeing you. Look at me right now. So the video you made about Romesh, explain why you made the video, because people said I saw the video. I don't think it was disrespectful. I think that you were telling. I want you to tell the people. Hold on, I know, Mr. Right. Okay, I just want you to tell the people what were you trying to say in the video. Lord of mercy. I saw the video, but I want you to. I don't feel it was disrespectful because I listened to the video, but I want him to tell people, because basically what the video was saying, Mac, is he was saying that
it's not Destiny. No, for the call man. And them call the man name. So the man say how much years do me I look out?
No, but in the video,
no, me I tell him say if I prank him, me I fool me. Make people know I run with certain things about me, but house. And that me say.
So you just wanted to know if you was pranking you, that's all, okay. So what Romesh did for you? If you have to say something to Romesh right now, what would you say for all he have done for you? What would you say to him?
I'm good with it. I'm bad enough to talk about the man say. Because the man invite me for the up, I'm thank him very much.
Right, but if you want to say something...
Pepper them do it. Pepper them. See the girl coming there. The girl want beaten. The girl want hold and butter. Pepper want hold and butter. I want to eat that girl. I want to food girl from Carolina. I'm tired of the girl. I'm tired of the girl, man.
Let's, okay.
You look at a dog chicken a foreign, and the baby sitting there. Every time you go to the boy throwing our money for her. The girl want all her beat of your husband.
We're not talking about Pepper now. I'm asking you a question. What Romesh have done for you? What would you like to say to him publicly right now?
Mr. Remina tells her he do look at something and that not more.
What would you want to say to him publicly? Tell him what you have to say to him. Thank you.
Mr. Rami, Mr. Rami, don't say nothing. Me not say nothing. Me not say, Mr. Rami. Me not done say me say. Let's say I'm wicked.
All right. So we're about to
look here, Mr. Rai, listen now. Mr. Rai, listen now. All them a kid. The man put me by AC hotel. And that them a talk about. That them talking about.
At this point, Maka. At this point, hold on, Maka. At this point, I think I need to set up an interview with Pepper to see what really happened from the beginning, because I would have to set up. Pepper, I'm gonna inbox you because I really would have to set up something with you to see what really happened. If Rosealee would like to come and clear her name also on my interview, I will set up one. But Pepper, I would have to message you so I can see why. Because
I don't know Pepper for nowhere, Mr. Ray. I don't know Pepper for nowhere.
I want to get down to the bottom of it to see what happened from.
I don't know this girl for nowhere, Mr. Ray. I don't know this girl for nowhere. I never see this girl in my life. All my she hug with a big boat. I don't know her.
So thank you very much, Derrick. I'm sorry.
I don't know her.
So Derrick, I'm very sorry that you went through whatever you went through. I hope that
Mr. Ray, I will look to see me full of scar and beaten. I lie them I tell Mr. Ray. Me tell you that. They lie if we come over here, I lie them I tell. See me here? Me fresh and look good and me no man they up me keen, me not get no stuff, not get nothing. What am I for them? What am I for them never get that?
Right.
They never get nothing.
So before you Derrick, stop talking a little bit now.
Are you do it? Are you a start this year? Can you say
I don't know where I talk, but I don't call nobody.
Alright, guys. Them say Rose did that on the phone and tell people say for got 20,000 for break.
Say to me, say remember say him say last time for come at town me. Remember I regular him check me for years say for come at town. No.
True.
That's hear that.
That's true.
I hear that. Say you say back at church come give me a me say back at church come give a man lick. What have to do with me? You tell me so come at town now, come at town now. Never hear that.
Guys,
never hear that. So I'm stinking Shay and blood clot Kitty and Batman and this. They never hear that. No, they never hear that. But when him get licked now, him say me getting a lick. As him say now, they want to come, they want to dunk for me. I hype them girl look. Me no argument with a frowns girl when me a class girl get fire, money I fear run. Middle class girl for free, cause I have too much energy. That's it.
Alright guys, listen now. Me say me done with this, you know. The two of them class them one another for truth and promise them one another lick for truth.
Oh!
Them do that for truth. So no, listen people. They can't take up for none because the
people, the man get tired of Derrick and tell Derrick say, yo, alright, you can stop talking now. No, boy, I tell you. That's why I say, yo, anybody really take Derrick serious, although him say something to earth still. Anybody will take him serious, no better than him. Because you can clearly say this man, you know, stable 100%. You know what I mean? So, me no want to think about that. Alright, Rosealee, you know what say, Derrick tell him to come meet him up at town and all these things. Yeah, him say you fi come meet her up, him never send nobody, meet him up, him never send nobody come, whatever. So, you should have just go deal with him, like when him say come meet me, you go meet him. More than fi send people, you know what I mean? So, I want to tell me what I think with people, because it's like, these people on TikTok, I wonder if them just do this to entertain them people, or they mean some of the things them what them a do and say.
night, Derrick up on the live, Rose come on the live, and I say, Rose, say something to Derrick now. And the two of them talk back on the live. Who remember that? So I don't know how this reach out.
Ring my phone, Blinger. Ring my phone. Ring my phone and I can send you one of my call me today after 3. A man too smarty. You know him number I know. 426 27 69. Me I'll send you it.
Listen, the two of them chatting them one another. But you know, tell me, Rose was on phone with men, telling them to go give them $20,000. So the people them say. Me tell the people that me no business with this, you know. Because the two of them soon talk back again.
I'm not chat back to the batty boy. If someone want to call my phone, I go black no. Don't call me, I black on from my phone. Don't call me. See nobody I call me I said the 3 number, look on the time. The first one up at top. Look on the time, 3:24. The one of them I chop off them out. Look on the first one, I send you. Him call me 3:24 p.m. that I put there. And I 4-3 way with 3 smaddy. See me what the last match, I said, see me why I didn't out there and show you the 3 of them I call on my phone. What? I go back to blood clot, come up from a platform. What's up, your mother? See there? Why you call my phone? The one of them are talking about stinking blood clot shit, dirty destiny, and the one of them. Why you call my phone?
Alright, guys, listen this now. You see what I tell you now? You see what I tell you now? This now go done, you know.
Come on, go and call. My boom phone and don't disturb.
This now go done.
I'm done my black one now.
This now go done. You now go done. Me could even go back and tell us say done. Right now go done. Come on my side. Don't push up the score.
You not see me send you. You call. Why you call my phone?
Me see it.
The proof.
Me see it. I only
I get to the station. But after I call my phone. I even call my phone at 3. Are you try? Say man want lick in a plate that day. You say the boy them do nothing. Say the boy them do why you got station? That have nothing to do with this thing. Want call police friend.
Alright, listen. But me not understand
that
this.
That got nothing to do with me. That's them, they are foreign and run from themselves. You can't, none of them.
25 roses, my friend. Come on, people, 25 roses.
Draw for me 28. Don't take me a mascot, don't it?
Alright, so listen to
mascot, shave the after me come and tear off the whole of your face. Only thing you can get and put up on class. So you can't step to me with no girl. Me tear off the whole of your blood class face. I'm a bad girl in a real life. No cap. I chat to no one on the internet. I'm not chatting. Guys, push up the score. Where you stepping on?
Tell you this. You see Rosealee and Derrick, it two of them. Every minute them a cuss them one another.
Chat.
I'm tired of it. Derrick.
This thinking man, you know what I'm doing? Text my phone, if I'm black me, you know. Come and say right to me, come up on me, him have my number and black me, you know. Text my phone, me for beg money for him. Me for beg, Road Dog want money for him. So now the stinking girl I start the money for you when I call him phone and tell me that. Me for beg Road Dog want money for him. So true, me not beg Road Dog the money for him, now I eat money him. Me for beg Road Dog want money for him. Me not beg Road Dog money for Road Dog see and run.
Push up his score.
See I eat that.
So guys, let me ask you something.
Right through the boy them lick me, the boy them eat that boy I run and drop. So the boy them lick you run and drop. Why you make the bag of fuss for? You liar. Bad man a top and answer that went for no want him kind of think up the whole of the studio.
People wanna see this is how them do. The two of them. Every minute them argue. Every minute them argue. Me cry peace for them must about 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
I know this. So what
bad mind.
When
me see yeah, Swissy party and hug you up. Cause you stood up with nobody. Right? Yeah, sell a shirt. I'm a big 5,000. I'm shirt them can't become a big and wear XXXL. I'm support a business. Add them.
Really not interested. Let me tell you this.
No big pussy girl can't add you, so you look high for me.
Listen to me.
I follow them look and fan. Them man on a body.
You want me to tell you people?
When me class girl me get money. Them class girl for free.
2 weeks ago. Me dey on a live with Derrick and Rose company live. Me said to Rose say hi to Derrick bad to bad. And then make up right there.
Alright, my people, so I want to ask another question here. Because I don't know Rosealee and Derrick situation, how them go back and forth. You know what I mean? For the longest while, them go back and forth. I don't feel like, say, yo, it's fair game, like it's okay for she do what she do because the two of them at it from long time. I don't feel like, say, she like, take it too far, you know. You see me? Suppose you them did rush him and mash him up and them way there. Oh, it would have go. tell me if you think say boy she gone too far or anything because she had the same him or this her. So I said, me know say Derrick, him no normal 100%. Him have some kind of mental issue. You see what I say? So that's why I can't give him like wrong, right, true and say whatever. And then again you have the people them around him where push him to do certain things. So you know what I mean? Me have to see with him in a way. But more wanna tell me from phone point of view, wanna think. You see me? So we're gonna watch some more, my people, and then we're gonna move on to the next.
So,
boy, Miss B, you know, Miss B, you know the man, Steve. You know you put him out of ground and talk.
Me not put him out of ground, me tired of it.
Rosealee wrong. When you did go send man to beat him, madam, me never hear nobody say no come text it pan you. I one of those things. That man who walk and text it pan people. All when you see him, and the people them know it. The internet know it, but choose some because send mode at the mode, and you have to finish. Them want to argue with me, you can't class a business. You know, same like text it pan people, you know it.
I know this, that's what I'm saying.
Thank you.
But what I'm saying.
Miss Slinger, thank you. Thanks. Bought up the life, thanks.
Listen to me, people. This is how me have to say about this. I'm going to talk and done.
You want to let me say about this. You want to let me for this man like text it from people.
Me not pick up for no. But when we want to ask you, how it reached so far, that's your
reach far enough. Stop follow me up. Stop follow me up. You do your beggings and make me do my begging. Stop follow me up.
Okay.
Leave me alone.
Alright then, me get it. Cause me just said then I put so far for
bring them to leave me alone, come off of me. Me not see you. Make the police them come still wait. Come on, tell officer me say I'm not gonna lick you, so you lock me up far. Me don't know what you talk about. You're not getting lick where you lock me, not send nobody, me the day I'm here the whole day.
Power tap the screen. The two of them talk back and me shame.
Me and him not talk back, a man when I send my money go give. If I sell them shirt and the shirt them can't fit, I still show me $5,000 and give him. When him go up a right Q show and take in front of that 5,000, I say him not get no lick. That means you can't go, so you got a session for him not get no lick. You get the lick? You get lick? You say you don't get no lick. So you don't sink yourself already because you say you not get no lick. So we have got a station for. It's a man who took up my fight. I don't need the shirt. I have all the machine clothes. I'm still supported though. You understand, don't it? But them a platform I want you so for your platform and beg your money and give them.
Why Rose me not get no speed? Them people are just there so looking at my face.
Speed not come yet. The speed now come until less. 229 no speed now. Tap a screenshot.
Well, now listen to me, guys. I'm
so you don't get a lick where you gas station for that me I ask you. You don't get a lick for gas station. If you get lick now, you don't tell them say again so you gas station for. But start the boy never bust your ass properly. Yeah. I two master boy them she send calm. I go like so no. When like in a chatting with people on no location a change.
Push up the score my side.
Even 40,000, them chopping
no mind because the problem what me have is this are Rose and Derrick.
No, the girl them a boots him up. Me say you never run and drop and pop your blood clot neck. You go like you're a bad man, batty boy. I know I went to do not give some look of batty boy. Privilege over girl. I don't want to give some look of batty boy, privilege over blood clot girl. No for one girl now, me Derrick son upside down on the sun. Take a picture. I don't ask none of that. So when I give some look of batty boy, shalom on the app. Some look of batty boy, privilege over blood clot girl. I ring out to the mama. I say I want to see them on a civil station the same. But if I'm 2 in I'm facing at the station and pay feet. You never know.
Score my side.
Come. I want him come in front of me because I think I'm going to box him class in front of police.
21 Rose is my side. Come. Everybody focus.
I went to not get some look of fish boy. Ratings of a real man. Someone for God on. Mother Batty man, kitty them and share them. I them love it in a chatting. And I'm part of the elbow. Real woman for some side, a real woman. Yeah. And I found the girl we have chat off on the mouth and the things them. Now make Derrick drink out on a cup and scan him. We know about that. Yeah.
Guys, we're not catch speed, people. I don't like this for me. You don't move then.
Guys, push up the score.
I'm telling them here rank. This don't look good.
Yeah, in a chattings. I'm going to send 2 girls yard. You listening? Rosealee, you go to jail tonight. I'm sleeping on my bed tonight. And when tomorrow come and police come on me yard, I know if I tell the police them say. After I'm going to kill me in my yard, I'm going to attack. But I know we attack. If him threaten me, I threaten him back. So what you ask him? I don't know about no man. I'm threatening me. Him say last night, Rosealee, come at town a morning early. We never the time him say, come at town a morning early. Let me come to you. And Tatiana, him walk at her. Say if a lick reach him, whatever I do with me, I'm saying I'm not getting a lick.
I'm tired to tell Derrick just done. Just done. Yeah. I tell Derrick no pay you no mind. I said this to Derrick over and over. Just done. No pay pepper no mind. Just done.
One of them too enough.
Just done. I know what else to do.
And none of them no bad. And the lump up back to one where Destiny class here and newborn baby no bad. But you know what? The cap fit you when you now wear it. I saw this on internet run. The cap is when you now wear the cap, it fit you. Cause she come down for me when they see a class kitty what they not my mouth, you know. When they see a class shame, me no look. But when my argument do everybody jump, them lucky. Somebody will have to pay the consequences. For me, them know say me not run no joke. I want to go as they my foot. I mean I tell them steady with the matic. Yeah. Come on a problem, come on, got foreign. I'm not in that.
But look here, Ryq was saying something about you for company come do something.
Me not come do nothing with Ryq them a hypocrite.
So let me ask you something, Rose. When you are gonna stop?
When him come after me.
Derrick, come after Rose now. Let me tell you something, you know, guys. Derrick settings too. Derrick settings and she on settings. Come on, man. You know, that's why I'm still tight, you know, because nobody now listen to me.
You know I'm still.
Of course, we know I'm still.
You beg him and still come on, come class, yo.
Exactly, but me I say, guys, that's why I'm not really, but she be honored.
Alright, my people, so we're gonna just watch maybe a minute or 2 more and then we're gonna go over to the next thing we have to share with you, cause do we drop a song or him drop a snippet and Queenie drop a snippet. So I just gonna make you hear the snippet. Also want to hear from Shay and Kitty about the Anna situation. You see me I say? So we're gonna get into that also. So we could listen just a minute or 2 more and then get into the rest.
Listen what me I say.
Yes. Come here.
Me tired of it. That's why me no look. Me no look because me can't take it every day, so.
You know I'm still.
Bling is not about what said or what Rose do. Blinger.
The only thing I'm more blood clot, I'm not a bitch no obligation. Me a bad girl in a real life and none of them can come step to me. Yeah?
What is this on the screen? RT? What is Jesus?
Sleep party and RT back was in the party after me not show him blood clot. But people don't pack that I support this man. I sell him blood clot t-shirt. One of them big blood clot though. I say, alright, here one. 5,000 use the rest by lunch.
When me see the people that might beat you for Rose, are they 20,000?
I'm in a busy with them one people for none of them not give me.
Okay.
And guys can't talk to me, them not give you so.
On a ear out on a own mouth.
Them not give me.
On a year.
Them now give me for and give you so.
You know why it concern me? Cause you suck me, you married, then you fool me. You know concern me. Cause you suck me, you married, then you fool me. No girl can never burn me. Cause you suck me, you trick me, then you fool me. Blood clot.
Foot. Yeah. 4 boy in my ear. 4. My ears the one with
See, I don't hear the news right.
No, somebody may answer say 4.
Oh.
Yeah. You know, that's what my ear only be 4. 4, only just a repeat. One more time I go repeat 4. Me telling you some suck out, you know. Me telling you some suck out. Me telling you something. Them say people are walk attack TikTokers. You know, so nobody now walk attack TikTokers. Me I tell you the truth, nobody now attack TikTokers. Me tell you what wrong with people now. Let me tell you what wrong with people, and this has always been enough people downfall. Nobody now attack TikTokers. We not talk about Derrick now, we not. We not talk about Derrick. You know what the problem? Enough boy in them community and other community them a bad it up and them want be famous. And that your hand can't in a wrong and you want come live and showcase your surrounding because you have to hype. You have to hype. You really and truly have to sit down and hype. So nobody too now get no beat up. I just Derrick. I just Derrick. But you see, this is the thing, you know. We may always tell you no. Derrick know him not have no abiding sitting in a pressure for him ranch. And Derrick make the careless people them outside and beat him up. Derrick, you know you're a big man. All I want to tell you say you're famous. See that you're famous for this. You're famous for this. All I want to say you're famous. Are you alone famous and homeless? You make them pack you up at all sort of something. You know you're bad on the internet. You like to trot the streets of the city. You love to trot the streets of the city. Me not say we them do them right, but what you can avoid, you avoid it.
Money is. You don't care about price, man.
What you can avoid, you avoid it. And that is just it. Because all who hype you up and beat you up for come and class people and settings go people who now put you up. You know say who now put you up. I just saw it go. You know you're homeless and you walk a give problem. You know you're homeless and you make them hype you up. And this is just the truth. Everybody ever said them not have no right, which is true, them not have no right, but what you can avoid, you avoid it.
Alright.
What you can avoid, you avoid it. It have to be sad. Let me tell you something, my baby. It have to be sad, you know. And for such a set to Britney, I said the world is against you. If you don't have to ride your Kawasaki later night, don't ride your Kawasaki later night. You understand me? Don't ride it. Number one, you're a woman and you're defenseless.
Didn't hear you?
I don't care if she want to hear me, just want to know my conscience clear.
She heard?
No, you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. Actually, I have joke.
Derrick get too much money for a big old girl. You understand me? If you're a big old girl, you get too much money if you not live no way.
Yeah, bata.
Oh. Some people just cannot be helped. And you depend on the net and you have them hype you up because you go on some big old careless people.
Okay, she had to go to say wickedness and shit.
No, it is wickedness for real, but you can't say. So the wickedness you can't avoid.
It's a TikToker.
Let me tell you something.
Your face this so you're supposed to have a shelter over here.
Exactly.
Let
me tell you something. You see, Rosealee might say what she's saying now. And I'm not defending Rosealee, because Rosealee, they're out to other too. But I'm not defending Rosealee. Rosealee can't say what she said, but you have people out there who just want to go ahead.
Because sometimes you can't say a thing and almost you read it.
Good, just want to go ahead. Yeah. You know everybody business, and that's why I say people first stop hype up this homeless madman and talk about he's a star. Everybody are come with it. He's a star, and I wanna keep the man in that position, yeah, because the star not supposed to get treated so. They just don't know how to manage that even one Airbnb. It is just the truth. It is just the truth.
They look like him pissy.
Yeah, he look like him all nasty. He's a nasty, dirty man. You know, some people just know for put themselves together, and that's it. If he take care of himself and go sit down, because nobody not there to take care of him. For sure. You make them hype you for call Rosealee Peppa Pig.
Yeah.
You know you don't have no shelter, you first rain a catch. You don't humble yourself. And this man always tell you now, you have the whole heap of following and swear say a people will like beard, a people with discipline and follow you, and some germs that follow you.
Yeah,
some dark shit that follow you. Tell her all, man, long time I don't see you. Some dark shit.
People, as what Shibada say, I don't think these people really care about Derrick. Even the one them where put him up for cuss Rosealee, them don't really care about him. Because a long time Derrick look a place for himself to stay. And I know none of them where put him up for say this and say that about people don't step in and look a place for him. Because he might get the money, you know. Because him have the money to spend at the guest house where him there. You see me I say? So why them not help him to get a place for himself? What do you see him in our house like him I say boy him get a place, more know what go on with that. You know what I mean? Because if him up on the road and these people I tell him to cuss Rosealee and whatever and I cuss this a person and that the person there, you don't know what they might do him.
Didn't you think nobody could have hyped me up and all and pull me and buy me one box food and tell myself to do this? But no move on yourself. Oh, no girl with zinc still I run through them protection can't talk to me and nail. You have right here? A zinc and nail a shield some girl. And that's what Derrick stay so. Then Rosealee, I forgot to tell me if a police come at the yard because the phone just hung up abruptly. So Rosealee, we want to know if a police Derrick sent for you. But I'm glad Derrick not get hurt still, but him not learn. I'm glad him not get hurt, him not learn. What you do with the money then with the people them give you? Every day you're alone in a house problem. You dip on the internet, it's an old man, you want bed, you want a bus seat. You want one bed, you know, behave yourself on the internet so somebody can rent you one back home in a one time. Eh? You know, behave yourself. Everywhere you go, people, to all your fans, them love you, them all give your room all a rock forts. To all your fans, them love you.
Lisa.
Then watch over the sky, she read like a no Saturn come out by way. The sky ready, them just say about 5 moons where you know. We must ever get some moon, you know. More than man, some moon. For sure. God knows. You see, just like the bombs situation and Roger. Every time Roger want attention, Roger come up and talk. We don't want to get famous on the app. It comes with a price. We don't want to get famous, no real man that they are getting because everybody knows that them dabble and paddle. You understand me? Everybody know. Then your ex now come up and say she never send Bams no video. How you work out that part here? And now, am I in agreement with what Bams do? You get what me I say? No, I'm not in agreement with what Bams do. But on the contrary side of it, you know, Bams I tell you don't behave. But just because you want to feel as if, you get what me I say? You want to feel as if, say, yes, you crash a batty boy. Or if I crash a batty boy, eh? Or if I crash a batty boy, at this reach, you know, come on and you look too girl, you sell yourself in a macho way, man. I make the girl them when you down. Yeah, pay. You know, boy, me not lie. Jamaica mash. I pay a batty boy. Me a sip on my timeline then get off the app.
I saw down one people that like that she put on the boss for fear life.
Get off the app. Get off the app, as simple as that. Me don't wanna upset on myself. When I remind me about Tequila, where I walk and sell himself same street and load store. But Tequila make me start worry about him now. Why you walk and attack say you're straight? Bunty for me and little girl, you something bother your man, something bother your Bunty I read some guilt. You see, on a claim on a so-called man. This is the thing about the internet. And this is from World that go right down. From World that go right down. So I hope somebody videotape this. Yeah. The whole of us sit down and look on things one can capitalize on. And then when time comes for Uno capitalize on it, it is not a factor. It is not a problem. You see? This is what I talk about. I'm saying my good friend Romish. Do it. You see, if you don't come on the backfire about certain things, you don't accept certain things. Just that me I say. You see, if you don't come on the fire about certain things, you don't accept certain things. Yeah, just that I'm saying. Me not say nothing more. Me not say nothing more. And these are the stuff we talk about. We exercise wickedness subconsciously so till it becomes a part of us. We're wicked in us, dirty, stinking, nasty germs of people. We're wicked. We're wicked. You think it not hurt me when I see oh Joe candlelight service now spread? You think it hurt me? It hurt me. You know why it hurt me? You see, if you never tried the road, you wouldn't understand. When you lose somebody and you come like say, the world move on as them drop out.
Alright, so what time to wake you?
You always hear me say.
Alright, my people, so we're gonna listen maybe a minute more and then we're gonna go over to Shay and thing there and hear what they must say about the situation with Anna and her baby father, and also the neighbor have some things to say to them.
If it never come at your doorstep, you're not gonna realize it. But you know why things happen in our eyesight, our ears sight, is because it just might come around to us so we know to handle it. I saw the internet run with them and somebody who lost their me see it. I see the internet run with Britney with Uno call unstable. Uno say the child is unstable. And Uno class the child for something. Uno class her go as a distraction. As a distraction. We're afraid of Uno dirty people.
She like to make sure they say if you come back to my sister would have forgive her and make she come in, you know. But me no know what's wrong with Anna, yeah. Anna just nah. I think the sister go and put her up back because of what she said over her live last night. So well, I tell you the truth, guys. What Anna think is love. She feel like if we're ready to show her a love and a love that baby.
Nothing like a mother's love. Come, know if you run go by your mother right now, she a tell you to come. Come, my daughter. I saw Annie, I go tell your girl, come, my daughter. Annie, I say, I know Annie, I'll go love you up and hug you. Because I know how Annie bumbo clad, I say, I know Annie feel right. No. I say, Annie want just see Anna come at the door.
Well, they need to come here tonight.
I say, Annie, I go grab up any ocean ever go.
Team up and come here.
Nah, they're not.
Let's see some showdown go.
I say, if Anna ever, Anna guy mother right now, mother give him good food. Because if you notice a beer ramen noodle boy get Anna, you know. Beer ramen noodle get Anna, you know. I'm not laughing at a serious situation, this is a girl.
No,
Annie can't cook, you know, Annie want cook good food in data, you know. You know, say one girl pick me in data carry, you know. Oh God, man, if you stop it in a chat, I'm not laughing, guys. I'm not even still laughing for my face because I know Annie wanting that to come over him good food.
Of course, because she has a lot of strength to push out that baby there, no man.
You know, sister, a beer ramen noodle boy get Anna enterprise. Oh God, man, stop that. A serious something. No little vitamin, no little love and tenderness. Come on, guys. When you look, Anna go wash your feet clothes, the man clothes and feet clothes, and when you now wash your man clothes, the man will come in the head again. When you know say in guy mother and his mother did it for him, his mother go make sure say baby clothes they wash properly.
Hey, man, the boy a liar, yeah, man. Nobody can talk to them. Nobody cannot talk to them. So, and family them come. They need to team up and come here. But Annie says she afraid.
Okay, add her on the live, guys.
Clinic shake up. I don't know if she go clinic, guys. And I can't ask me that because I don't know. I don't know if she go clinic. I don't know about the party. She said she got a clinic. I don't know.
Add her. Try add O. God, listen to me. I don't know who not tell. If Annie will not tell me if I add, I don't see her send me no request. And me I say Annie just know say her mother love her and want the best for her, and she needs to go on her mother. That's all.
Of course. I'm not doing it because.
These are new clothes. These are the new clothes.
No, put that on.
Why? I'm not even there for she talk to her on the phone, so me can't hear, guys. She talk to Anna on the phone. And Anna just make it look like in more than in life and in baby and in mother. And that, you know.
I go send a man go check. I think somebody over there, you know. I think the man who own the house over there. Me not sure, but me always see him over there at work, so maybe him over there.
When I laugh, I'm not laugh. I see you something. For you, if you share cry, you know it's a serious thing.
And I have to come contact the truth. Red guitar. Properly into.
And then he come in at 11 and say,
but you tell we tell if you come off a name.
I let we tell. I true me want clothes. Me say you lucky me I go get clothes off of you whether you like it or not. Me I go show the people them what they happen because every time you're up there the guy you go up and live back like say everything alright. And that should do, you know. Go back on our life like say everything alright.
Tell a lie not only Anna can save herself because all the way they are trying to
I feel say I feel that piss back that boy that's still, you know. I feel say that boy they want to cheat him, so you know. Any that piss on him bombard, man.
You really can't go up there.
Rain or fall. Yeah.
Right, she can say rain or fall. I know say anyhow Anna go back to her mother. The whole platform she have help her.
People, why these people like as them breed so them turn single mothers. That me notice that's a trend me notice. As them breed them turn single mothers. That's why I have to know who I breed for. You saw me I say get to know the person first and then you get pregnant. You see me? This girl I need for love the youth because the youth they are gonna damage yo people. The girl I need for love the youth they and go on back her mother because it's fuck this youth I don't rate this girl. Him just tolerate her because look a gift her come in or whatever. And it's like she just want stay at the man place for what reason me no know. Go on to your mother girl. Allow this youth because him don't want you. From the bad treatment start, she should have left and don't go back. But I want to tell me what I think, my people. Alright, just so me I go in it. Leave your comment.